Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a contact form to your Bigcommerce website. Having a contact form lets customers quickly send inquiries, support requests, or feedback directly from your site, helping us stay connected and responsive. Now let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to the storefront. We click the storefront drop-down button, select this option, and then go to Web Pages. Click on this. On this page, we can create new pages. In this section, we can create web pages. Click here to create a new web page. Since we want to add a contact page, we will allow people to send inquiries and comments through a contact form. There are two page tabs, Contact Form and Contact Page. This is just an example. We need to enter the URL for the page. You can add the URL for the contact page, which will be used for inquiries and comments. Once finished, we need to select the fields for the form, like full name, company name, phone number, order number, and any other needed information. This helps us collect all the details needed from the contact form. Please note that some fields are protected and cannot be changed. When everything is ready, save and accept. Now, the contact page is ready to use on your website. By making it simple for customers to reach us, we build trust and create a better shopping experience.